Tipping etiquette really is a very big subject, let's put it this way, and there isn't just one size fits all approach. There are different tipping rules in different countries, so depending on culture and where you're based, tipping might be different. But when people do deliver food up into your room, usually a tip is kind of expected, but not always. In certain countries like the US, where the tipping culture is very strong, then it's, yes, you pretty much have to leave tip. And you usually leave about 20%. However, so this is an exception. If you look at the bill, sometimes it says service charge, and that means service charge is included, meaning their tip is included. But again, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't leave a tip then, just because there's a service charge. Depending on what country you're in, don't forget that salaries can be low, and who knows if that service charge actually goes to that person who served you. So it's really nice to actually still leave at least something when they deliver room service to you. But if no tip included, then 20% is good. This is actually a very interesting topic, and please do share your opinions about this in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, my dear elegant ladies, and I will see you in the next video.